Shalom Aleichem. As you probably all know, corn on the cob are considered infested. They have bugs in them. The poskim throughout hold that corn on the bugs are infested and one can't eat them the way it is, whether cooked or barbecued on a fire, thinking that you burn the bugs, that will be fine. Burned bugs are not permitted. Cooked bugs, dead bugs are not permitted. So therefore, one can only eat this if he cleans the kernels. Now, I checked myself enough corns to see that you'll find bugs in those corns. You don't find them in every cob, but after checking few, you'll find, and that's enough to be considered infested. So the way you'll eat it is that you'll have to remove the outer layer, and afterwards you cut the kernels the way I do right now. Take the kernels, put them in a strainer. Take the strainer under the in the faucet under the streaming water. The stronger the better. Cold streaming water. You shake them the way I do. Let everything that's in there fall down. This way the kernels will be cleaned well, and afterwards you can process them and cook them or do whatever you want for eating.